Japan's national volleyball team has a secret weapon, a blocking robot.
Did you see that?
No, I didn't. I love it, though. I love it already. This is very cool. Oh, my God. That's terrifying. Oh, my God.
Yeah. They obviously use like sensors and cameras to detect.
Cool.
But they have the hands.
Yeah, because
hands.
If you always had to have some other team over there blocking everything, first of all, that's going to be annoying for the team that only has to block for the drills. Second of all, you can get pegged a lot. Third of all, these things are faster, and you can probably play at a level where you can probably turn up the difficulty rating.
Yes.
To improve your skills beyond what even humans are capable of creating for defense.
It's just like a wall of hands.
It is hilarious that they were actually hands.
Yeah.
Like, did they actually have to be hands?
Yeah.
I guess.
And floppy hands.
I guess. Yeah, they
like
had
they flip and flop all over the
like
place.
a human arm. Well, you know something, Will? You show me this training weapon here, and it actually reminds me of another robotic athlete that I saw. Maybe it was around the Olympics, the one that shoots half-court shots.
Oh, yeah.
Did you see the basketball player robot?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we saw that back in the day.
Episode.
Oh, my God! I saw somebody posted on Twitter again, but you're right. We talked about that like years ago at this point.
Yeah, the first or second episode.
We're 300. We are 300 years old. So we've seen it all, talked about it all. I can't wait for the concept car. Will says it's a guarantee. I only need to give them $100. They'll give me a car in 2037. Except it's gonna
look exactly like it though.
No, it's just gonna be a Hot Wheels. It's gonna show up in the mail.
Here you go.
They're like, thanks for your $100.
Yeah.
See you later.